Hey guys, today is January the 3rd of 2022. I wanted to go over the metal sector. As you can see, gold right here, it's moving higher, grinding. Silver looking really good. Palladium got a nice little bull kicker last week. Candle, copper is kind of flat, and palladium is probably the weakest of the bunch. This is the gold, silver. The gold futures. This is the dollar here. I have it on my radar. I'm looking at the currencies. They're kind of negative. And we hit the Tom D Mark ninth weekly candle. This is the weekly chart on the left. Interesting to see how, what's going to happen here. We're hitting a linear regression channel. There's a lot of resistance right here at the 1848. And you're going to battle this cloud. And this is strong level of 1878. I want to get into gold, but I'm waiting for a pullback and I haven't gone it yet. So maybe this could be the week where it could just kind of pull back in. I could kind of, build a position, but I'm not going to chase it here, especially now that we hit the Tom D Mark knife weekly candle and this little area right here is going to be a battle zone. But if it continues pushing higher and then pulls back and finds support either 1878 or 1850, like around 50, if it pulls back and it finds support and it goes up again, then that's probably what the market is just only going to give us or give me. In the daily, you can see that it's just, it's even above the point of control. So this is the value area high. So there's going to be a lot of resistance up there. And over here on the daily, it's, so far it's looking so good. Volume is kind of low, but, we'll see how this week plays out. Silver is actually really good. It's at the point of control, which is 2470, or at least it kissed it 74 to 2475 right here. The Tom D Mark hit here on the week of December 12th, but silver is still pushing higher, still grinding higher. You got a MACD crossover here, so I want to see how this is going to play out. But this one is actually better than gold. Silver is actually positive. It's above the cloud, so that's good. It's in a stronger position. And you can see here, it's just grinding. This would have been a great opportunity to get in, but I didn't. I missed that. So I'm just waiting for like a nice little, bigger pullback, maybe to like this area right here. Let's see, copper. You can see copper's the weakest link. But not weak. It's just kind of not doing much. I think palladium is the one that's the weakest. Kind of hovering at the value area low. Volume, MACD crossover, but just kind of there, just stagnant, going sideways, consolidating. You can see it here. Once it went up here and it came back down, and it's just kind of been, on sideways. Short term stronger compared to the midterm, which is the weekly chart, but that's what's going on with copper. And palladium, you can see, is the weakest. Is at the value area low, below the moving averages. Linear regression is pointing down below the cloud. Mobile bands are negative. And even though the Hekanashi is positive, the trend is still down. Same thing here. Mobile bands just turned positive, but it's just still not doing anything. So I would probably, stay away from palladium for now. And the last one, platinum. Platinum is strong too. So platinum and silver are probably the strongest because they're above the cloud. The cloud's about to turn, positive. It looked like it had a MACD crossover. Now it just turned positive. Volume for the last 2 weeks have been green, so it's been good. You see the trend is up. Mobile bands are good, above the 20, the 50, the 200 SMA. So that's pretty good. If we look higher, value area high is at 1125. and it looks like it wants to go and kiss it. And you got the top of the linear regression channel up there, so it'll be interesting. And you got some resistance here that it's going to be getting to 11.18 around there. So once it get there, prices get there, let's see what's going to happen. On the daily, it's very overextended there. So 1091, it's somewhere around here, but it really popped up. So if you want to chase it, that's your style. That's cool. I have no problem with that because it's strong. You could continue pushing higher. I like for it to like at least pull back, if it ever happens, and then accumulate or get in a position, and then ride this wave. But so far it's looking good. I haven't looked at the cycles yet on this and other stuff, but just looking at the simple glance chart, so far it's looking good. And that's it. This is gonna be just a quick update. My morning routine. Dollar. Keep an eye on the dollar. It's just kind of consolidating. It could, there's something's cooking here. I don't know what it is. If it's gonna, retest or just kind of tank, but it's doing something. Well, I'll let you guys go. Have a good trading day, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the metal sector.